Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Appreciate you stopping by. What I have here is something called from WILLBOND. They did send them over to me and did compensate me to make a video and show you what these are. So this is a two-piece set, but it's more than two pieces, you can see here, because this is like a die cutting for DIY crafting. This is made out of carbon steel for embossing. There's template, metal stencils, scrapbooking, all that kind of stuff. Really cool. You can make banners, you can make bookmarks, you can do a lot of stuff with this. Like you can see, there's a setup. There's two here, and you can see how they are. And you can do them with the perforation, or you can do them flat without the perforation at all. So you can kind of flip them over back and forth with the machine. As you can see, as you push them through the machine here, you can just see how that works. Now, these all break apart, so you can use different sizes here. So there's different sizes here, 1, 2, 3, and there's the fourth little one here, different sizes and different shapes. And this is like make little banners. Again, these all come off, and you can make little shapes using your tool cutter. And you can use this side here, which is more like an emboss, you can see, or you can use the flat side. Either way, you can break these apart with a tool and make sure the edges are clean, and then you can just put them into the machine and press it any which way you want. This is how it comes. You get a lot. It's a really good quality, nice quality metal. It's going to last you many, many years. It's washable, it's reusable. There's a lot of features with this item here. You get two sets, 8 pieces total, and a really high quality cutting die. Again, carbon steel, which is super important, super strong, washable, easy to use for embossing. Wide application for these metal die cutters. Again, if you do a crafting, albums, photo booking, scrapbooking, all that kind of stuff. So this is something you may need if you're going to do that. Comes just like you see here, both sides. You can see the flat side. You can see the embossed side more like that, with all the detail and all the fun stuff. These all break apart, easy to use, or you can use them just like this, however you want to do it. This is like a multi-layer look, which is kind of cool. I like that. Or you can do this. You can break them apart. All different things to do. Again, made out of metal. Fantastic. So I'm definitely going to go ahead and recommend these. And they're different sizes. They're not huge. Let me just give you quick measurements here, so you get an idea what we're talking about real quick. So the biggest one is, you can see here, a little over 5 inches. Right, and then this one here on the banners, 4.5 inches on the banners, and then it goes smaller from there. And then the width is approximately about 1.25 inches on this, and then it goes smaller, of course. Then on this one here is 1.75 inches, and of course they do go smaller as they get, as you can see here. You just break them apart, use a little tool, and you're good to go. All right, guys, hope I brought you some value. If I did, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, follow the channel for more. This is what we do to help you make decisions when you're shopping online. We're trying to figure out what you want to do, and this is what I recommend for you. I think this is going to do exactly what it says. High quality, and that's going to work just great. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video, and make it a great day. And and don't forget to follow the channel for more. I do appreciate that. Follow, like, and share the channel for more videos just like this. Thanks for watching.